Hello, welcome back. So market just opened about 5 minutes ago, the US market, and coming in this session, my positions are in the green, which is always very nice to see. My P&L is on the up, and hopefully we can keep this trend going. This is the result of all my work, only trading stocks that are in an uptrend. So the chances of me scoring a win are much higher. And the chances of that win running are also much higher due to how stocks tend to move and not retrace as much as Forex. Um, yeah, so these are my open positions. I'm currently holding about 8,500 out of 63,000 is 8,400 is free margin. So I'm looking at at least one, maybe two positions for today. And yesterday I went over all the stock screener watch list I created and added them to the red list, which is my main watch list for new positions. So I will have a look and see whether or not I will have an entry tonight. This is clearly an entry, a 100%. Let's see. It is an entry. I'm just checking the history, and it looks like it likes to move. I would get an entry breaks. I would get an entry here, but that's hindsight. And you can see how my goal is to follow price. It broke out. So broke above this range, broke down, liquidated, and fired way back up again. So it closed here and opened here. So this is an up candle for me, which makes this entry very valid. So I will look for it today, tonight. Moving on, we have this stock, which is the stock that I think this is a stock I didn't want to enter on. Yeah, I didn't want to enter this because of how it moves historically speaking. It's not really impulsive. And it's not yeah, I will not enter this because there's no momentum. I will actually remove this from my list. This is clearly an entry, no doubt about it. This is the range, the low, came back, mitigated whatever is here, and is moving back up. This is clearly an entry, no doubt. Same with this. Lots of entries today. Yeah, this is also an entry. Now let's see which one has the highest ADR of them all. Let's add the average daily range, 3.52, 3.2, 3.31. Yeah, all of them are basically the same. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how what the margin requirements will be. This I think I like this the most. I like this probably the most, technically speaking. Yeah, we'll see. So let's remove this and keep on looking through our list of stocks. Uh, this is closing in, might get an entry later on. This is also a valid entry, yes. So let's pull it over there. Yeah, this will be an entry later on. with this. Lots of good and clean setups. Always nice to see. Yeah, another one. Looking very good. Let's add this to the watch list. There will always be stocks for me to enter on, regardless of what I do. Not, I can't change that. Yeah, looks like we have a few stocks to watch, which is nice. Let's keep looking. This might be an entry later on. Building a nice base. Yeah, lots of good entries that I can take later. When the salary comes this Friday, I'll have more capital to execute on. Let's check the ADR on these. 1.24, 13. Yes, this is top ADR, no doubt about it. This is the one I will prioritize. Let's see what the margin requirements will be. T-scan. So if I risk 2% of $100, 120 bucks right now. Yeah, that's perfect. That's what I want. So I will enter this. Oh, very expensive very expensive commission. Might have to just deal with it because it's a very nice ADR stock. So yeah, looks good. Looks good. Let's bring this back. This is the list right now. The stocks I will potentially enter on. I don't like. How about this? Gap Company. Yeah, I like this a bit more. It's a larger impulse, as you can see. 50%. Much more momentum. This one also has great momentum. Yeah, we'll see how it turns. Oh, it could also turn around, you know. We never know. Let's take a look at the Swedish index. It's up today. Like everything's going up the past month. It's crazy. The Nasdaq about to make could potentially make an all-time high today. At least maybe this week. It's not a lot to go. Huge breakout. S&P not yet there. Dow Jones is making its establishing over the all-time high, which is amazing. Bullish. Let's take a look at the currencies. I don't trade currencies anymore. Yeah, I'm just not interested in these. These are not as fun because I don't make money with them. If you do, well, good for you. I'm impressed. These were trades I used to have, but I closed out because I started trading stocks instead. You see how the trends are just not there in the same way as stocks are, which is why I just I'm not interested in this. Gold moving up. Yeah, so if you're interested, check these out. These are the tickers. Hold on. Yeah, these are the tickers. If you're interested, be my guest, use it, enter on. You know my rules probably. Oh, look at that, it dropped below. It's no longer a stochastic crossover. Might go back up later on. We'll see. All right, well, have a good day. Good luck. Manage your risk. Bye bye.